Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, nag-post ako ng picture sa IG that room tour ako kung saan kami nag-stay dito during quarantine or self-isolation. And I decided to vlog it and just share with you guys kung paano yung quarantine dito sa New Zealand. So, yes. And if you follow me on IG, makikita niyo kung ano yung food na binibigay nila sa amin, like salad, may iba rice and beef and chicken curry, tapos may free juice and may free fruit minsan. So yes, so right now I'll be showing you my room here, and kasi kasama ko yung so narinig nyo yung ito sister ko, kasama ko sila, but in the other room sila, which is there sa door, because like nagko-connect lang if you wanna open it or not. So yeah, so let's start here. So ito yung entrance, then pagpasok mo may cabinet na the one, may plancha, may anong tawag dito, hanger, then may extra blanket. And then, right side, we have here the toilet or bathroom. So the one. So they have here some shampoo, body lotion, shower gel, body soap. But I bought my own soap. And dinala ko din yung shampoo ko kasi as you can see, may color yung hair ko. So need ng purple shampoo. So yeah, that's it. So meron silang mga glass, may face towel, my tissue. And then, paglabas mo, we have here this drawers, 3 drawers. Walang laman. And this fridge na may water, may Pepsi, may juice, may food pa dyan. But yung Pepsi and water, binili namin sa Countdown because they don't have here. And some foods na hindi ko pa naubos. We have some chocolate, coffee, sugar, tea, and some cups, glass wine, and mugs. And they have this, yung pang-init ng water. Hindi ko alam yung English yun. But we have here another mirror, and this mirror. And then, this is the room. You can see, medyo makalat na. Here, the blower. And then, my luggage, and other stuffs, my table, my chair, my TV, tapos ito na yung couch, yun nga yung table, tapos we have here the view. So yeah, and by the way, libre yung food and accommodation namin dito, and you can also download Uber Eats, then magpa-deliver ka ng food and sila na yung aano dito, then iiwan lang nila sa labas. And if wala ka na masyadong masuot, you can also put your clothes in the laundry bag, then iwan mo sa labas, and then sila na yung mag nung laundry mo. Then that's it. Bunog na akong sila, and I'm just gonna get my food outside the door. So yes. So, I'm gonna show you kung ano yung food na dineliver. And, yeah. So, nakita nyo kanina na nasa bag siya, but tinanggal ko na siya para madali nyo unbox. So, this one is the beef, my cheese, cream cheese. Then, ito yung chips niya, kasi beef nachos yung dinner naman ngayon. And some salad. As you can see, green na green. And then some dessert. So yes, that's it. So that's it for this video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below kung anong mga video yung gusto nyo makita sa channel ko. So yes, bye guys.